get it on the floor. Round and round and round she go. If you did it, now you know. Fashion on point, let's be the club and let's blow this joint. Exit through the back, take it to the pad, yeah.